Hey y'all, Alejandro Ibarra here, aka the Portrait Guy, and welcome back to my channel, Sue Channel. Today I want to show you how to import your photos from your camera and your memory card onto Lightroom on your computer. No intro, none of that, because who cares? Let's just go for it. When you open Lightroom, this is what you see, and it's like a lot, right? There's just a bunch of information all over the place, but for now, we're just gonna ignore it, okay? First thing you want to do is make sure you're in the library module, okay? The very first one. When you're there, here on the bottom left, you will see the import button right there. If you don't see it for whatever reason, maybe you're in the develop module, you see it's gone now. What you also can do is go to File, Import Photos and Video. But I like to just do it by being in the library module, clicking the import button like that. And then bam, this window opens. So let's just break it down. Here on the left will be all of your sources, okay? So it's your actual computer hard drive. This is my external hard drive. And when you plug in your memory card, which I'm doing just now, here, pops up right here, EOS Digital. So I'm gonna click on it and you'll see all the photos that are on that card. I just took these of my dogs to demo this tutorial. So first thing you want to do is go through and see and pick whichever ones you want. If you only want to import like a couple, you can go to uncheck all and just import the ones that you know you'll want. However, I recommend usually just sort of importing everything. I don't like to delete photos. I don't think there's a reason for it ever. What you do need to do if you're not doing already is investing in external hard drives. I'll show you mine. There's a link in the description to it below. It's very important. That way you can store all of your photos, not on your computer, but on something else with a lot more storage that you can edit from as well. That way you don't have to be deleting photos because your computer's storage is just like full. So once you have your selection, now let's go to the right side. There's a bunch of stuff over here on the right. So I'm just gonna show you what you need to know, okay? Smart previews, you can click on if you want. It does take up more storage, but it does help you when you're selecting images. You can zoom in onto each one and see if it's sharp or not much quicker if it already built these smart previews. But I like to keep it off because again, it does take up more storage. I usually leave don't import suspected duplicates on. That way, if you haven't deleted photos from your memory card and you want to import new photos from it, the ones that you already have imported will be graded. They'll be like dark and you won't be able to select them because it knows that you already have them on your Lightroom. Everything else you can kind of leave off. You can do rename files and choose a template if you'd like. But this, the destination, that's what matters. It's where you tell your memory card where to dump those photos into. This is where you want to dump them into an external hard drive. If you don't have one now, not a big deal. Go to your computer internal hard drive, but I highly suggest you invest in at least one external hard drive for now. So I'm gonna click on my external hard drive and I'm going to click into a subfolder within that hard drive. So you see all of these subfolders are from shoots and videos, etc. So here I'm gonna name this dogs. So it'll be here, it'll pop up right there. All my images are selected and I'm just gonna click import. And voila, you'll see over here, you'll see the operation in progress bar right here. And slowly but surely, your pictures will start to pop up more. The speed of the import process depends on a couple of things. It's your card reader, your memory card as well. So, but be patient, even if it's slow, it'll get there eventually. Like this is pretty slow. I don't know what's happening. There we go, bam, bunch more stuff. So while it's importing, you see it's already done. So now I can go to my subfolder dogs and see all my pictures there. And that's it, honey. That's all you need to do. It's pretty simple. I know Lightroom is very overwhelming. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make a whole tutorial on what the heck Lightroom is, because it's a lot. And truly, you don't even need to use all of it. Most people don't. I use like 3 things in it, but it's more than enough for what I need. Do like the video if this was helpful. Subscribe if you want to see more of these tutorials. Go check out the how to export images now if you want. I'll leave this here. And stay safe, stay hungry. And that's all, honey. Hi, it's me again. I noticed you didn't like the video or subscribe. Why is that? Oh, you're gonna subscribe now. Okay. Good.